In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mioDAQ in a 19-inch rack. The rack mounting kit for mioDAQ comes with the kit itself. So here's the rack. It can hold 2 mioDAQs. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. This one is different than the one that comes with the mioDAQ because it has a right angle connector. 2 of these come with the rack mounting kit. The kit also comes with the 4 panhead screws that it takes to connect 2 mioDAQs to the rack. And then I've got just a standard Phillips head screwdriver here that I'll use, but there's also a screwdriver that ships with mioDAQ, which could also be used. All right, so let's go ahead and connect it. I'm going to move some stuff out of the way. So I'm going to point out that the rack mounting kit has these holes which are meant to line up with the rubber bump-ons that are on bottom of mioDAQ. So I'm going to line up mioDAQ and flip it over, and I can use those feet as a guide. And then when I see the threaded holes, I can start my screw. Oops. There we go. Grab my screwdriver. So we know that a lot of test systems are built in racks because they'll include things like power supplies or scopes or ARBs. So we wanted to make sure that we built a rack mount kit just for mioDAQ. It's 1U tall, so it's going to fit in with all your other rack mounted equipment. Get that lined up. Start the screw. There we go. All right. Get that twisted down. Pretty straightforward setup. It's just really 2 screws. And then a couple other things that I'll point out while I've got it all set up. There's a hole on the side, and that was designed for the USB cable, so if you want front panel access to the USB cable. And then remember the right angle USB cable lets it stay in the panel tray, and you can send it off to your cable routing. Last thing, the kit holds 2 mioDAQs, and it comes with a blank panel blanking out the other one. So 2 simple screws pulls that off, and then you can mount your second mioDAQ. And that's how you mount mioDAQ in a 19-inch rack.